Next in line we have is Sagittarius. So Monday and Tuesday we've got the card of the Seven of Pentacles. So Seven of Pentacles promises the birth of your of the the plants that you have planted for yourself. So if you have invested some money in a new business, or you have invested some something in maybe in a stock share, or you've planted maybe some family business, Seven of Pentacles promises that the rewards are going to be good. So wait for it. Also it comes with a the feeling of being restless about that particular venture of yours. So be patient and wait for the results to come out. The fruits are gonna be great. So here it shows a pregnant woman looking at the the tree which bears this fruit. So she is restless because she is thinking about the baby in her, and um, but this one comes with the promise that her the patience is going to bear a great result for her. So Wednesday and Thursday you've got the Ten of Pentacles, which says that the results have come out literally, and you are feeling on the top of the world, like you have immense success in terms of this. You're celebrating with your family and friends. So whatever like the business proposition, your like your new venture, or could be some form of family celebration as well. So it's going to be a great result, and you're going to celebrate with your loved ones and your family. Next is your Friday and Saturday is the inception of another new beginning for you. So this could be this could be like a end of a phase, and this is the beginning of a new one. So you would be um, energetic. You would be highly you know like restless, or restless is not the word. Maybe you would be very courageous, or you could be energetic to start a brand new one here. And this brand new project comes with a lot of promise. Since you've already gained so much success, you're confident and you know what to do with this one. So there could be a news of something, some new business venture starting for you. Could be a new maybe you're building something new for yourself. It's coming with a promise that it's gonna be great. This is how Sagittarius' week looks like to me.